Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about the difference between a cure, a treatment, and healing. Okay, now a lot of people want to treat stuff. When you want to treat stuff, you have to go to the doctor. When you want to cure stuff, you have to go to the doctor. When you want to heal stuff, you want to do detoxification. Okay, when I speak of detox, I don't speak of the stuff you will see being advertised, where you drink a green drink and then you hope for the best. No, detox means you're getting the body alkaline and in a position where the body is healthy enough to heal itself. When you're trying to cure something, you are trying to use a treatment or some kind of medicine to cure that ailment. Okay, it's a temporary solution, but it doesn't address the underlying cause. Likewise, if you're trying to treat something, it's a band-aid policy. You're trying to treat the symptom. Now, all these are good if you have pain or you want to fix something, but you need to get to the underlying cause of all those issues, and that's where healing comes in, and that's where detoxification comes in. Okay, big difference. I thought I would explain to you so you understood what healing is versus treatment and cures.